We're here on Offsite Dirt. I'm your host, Audrey Grabesic.
And I'm Kent Anderson with Wesco International's Manufactured Structures Group. Audrey, we're so pleased to be here today with you.
It's amazing the people that you've brought to the table, and especially one of my favorite things to talk about is lighting. Who do we have from that industry?
Oh my gosh, what a great partner of ours from the lighting side of the business is today we have with us Shirley Jen from HONYA Lighting. Welcome to the program, Shirley.
Oh, hello everyone. This is Shirley from HONYA Lighting.
It's great to have them with us today.
Yes.
You know, HONYA is a great partner of Wesco, and what we've seen a lot of in the offsite construction world, as all the rest of the construction world has seen it, we've seen a lot of push towards sustainability and green and that kind of thing. And HONYA at the forefront of LED fixtures is one of those great partners. So I would love to invite Shirley to talk a little bit about HONYA and the types of products that they bring to us and bring to the market today.
Okay, so HONYA Lighting is the manufacturer of the LED lighting, and our factory has been in the lighting industry for over 20 years. And we will be supplying Wesco for the LED panel for them to use in their off-site construction program. This is a very good fixture, like it's a color changing and water changing LED panel, which means like Wesco can supply those lights to the contractors and they can change in color and wattage based on their needs to fit their off-site construction use. So like as you know, LED lighting provides more energy saving. So while we giving the good opportunity for energy saving on the LED lighting, we hope Wesco can use our products to give customer more choices and like to with a like better cost and also better quality control as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you know, that's one of the great things about the newer LED products is it does give you that selectability, right? And we've all seen those original LED lights that were just so blindingly white, right? And we would prefer maybe a little bit warmer tone that we use in either our businesses or our homes, either one. And with HONYA, we have the ability to bring that flexibility through the selectable fixture offerings with them.
And it's interesting that you bring that up because when we think about lighting, lighting also impacts our wellness and our health. And so being able to have these products not only being green and moving into this LED future of how we're trying to save on energy, it's great to see that you have a partner also thinking about these other things that impact our wellness and our health.
Absolutely. And we know that HONYA is forward thinking in a lot of the things that they're doing. And as Shirley mentioned, you know, over 20 years in the lighting business, and you know, we've had an opportunity to begin that great relationship with them and just look forward to the future and serving the offsite construction industry with HONYA Lighting. So thanks for having us today.
Another great idea from Wesco.